entire existence is running around the will and the order and the desire and the plan of one Supreme Personality of Godhead. If there is stability in this material world, in people's life, it is because of the all-pervading Supreme Lord Krishna in that particular Leela. Entire existence, material and spiritual existence, is the estate of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Imagine a person whose estate is this entire material existence, that is Shirodakshaya Vishnu. Under his superintendence, through his various agencies, Kala, Karma, the three gunas, this so-called life of living entities from birth to death is made possible. So this is a perspective from which Krishna says, everybody follows my path.